Welcome to Be Clever. Please subscribe to my channel.
Hello kids, and welcome to this video about extinct animals. Throughout history, many species of plants and animals have become extinct due to a variety of factors, including climate change, loss of habitat, and human activities such as hunting and introduction of non-native species. Today, we will take a look at some of the most well-known extinct animals. So let's start. Number 1. Dodo. The dodo bird was a flightless bird that lived on the island of Mauritius, near Madagascar. It was a large bird that couldn't fly, which made it easy for sailors and other animals to hunt it. Unfortunately, the dodo bird became extinct in the 1600s, which means that there are no more of them left on Earth. Number 2. Great Auk. The great auk was a flightless bird that lived in the northern Atlantic Ocean. It was about the size of a large penguin and had black and white feathers. The great auk was a strong swimmer and lived on the rocky cliffs near the ocean. It was hunted by humans for its meat, feathers, and eggs, which led to its extinction in the mid-19th century. Number 3. Quagga. The quagga was a type of zebra that lived in South Africa. It had stripes on its head, neck, and front legs, but its body was mostly brown or yellow. The quagga was a herbivore. It was hunted by humans for its meat and hide, and by the late 1800s, it had become extinct. Number 4. Thylacine. The thylacine, also known as the Tasmanian tiger, was a large, carnivorous marsupial that lived in Australia and on the island of Tasmania. It had a distinctive striped pattern on its back and a large jaw with sharp teeth. The thylacine was a skilled hunter and could run fast, jump, and climb trees. Sadly, by the 1930s, it was declared extinct. Number 5. Mammoth. A mammoth was a large, hairy animal that lived during the Ice Age. There were many different types of mammoths, but they were all similar in size. Mammoths were herbivores, which means they ate plants, and they lived in groups in cold regions like Siberia and North America. Mammoth became extinct about 4,000 years ago.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Number 6. Saber-toothed tiger. The saber-toothed tiger was a large predator that lived during the Ice Age. It had long, sharp canine teeth that looked like sabers, which it used to hunt and kill its prey. The saber-toothed tiger lived in various parts of the world, including North America and Europe. However, like others, the saber-toothed tiger eventually became extinct. Number 7. Deinotherium. Deinotherium was a large, prehistoric mammal that lived 10 million to 5 million years ago. It was a relative of the modern elephant, and looked similar to an elephant with a downward curving tusk. Deinotherium lived in parts of Africa, Europe, and Asia and was a herbivore. Number 8. Moa. The moa was a large, flightless bird that lived in New Zealand. It was one of the tallest birds in the world and could grow to be over 12 feet tall. Moas were herbivores and they had strong legs for running and a large beak for tearing at vegetation. Unfortunately, the moa became extinct about 600 years ago. Number 9. Diprotodon. The diprotodon was a large mammal that lived 2 million to 1 million years ago. It was a relative of the modern-day rhinoceros, and looked similar to a giant wombat, with a large head and a wide, flat snout. Diprotodon was a herbivore, and lived in parts of Australia and Europe. It was one of the largest mammals of its time and played an important role in its ecosystem. Number 10. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex, also known as T-Rex, was a large dinosaur that lived about 68 to 66 million years ago. T-Rex was a predator and hunted other dinosaurs for food. It lived in what is now North America and was an important part of the ecosystem of its time. Although T-Rex is now extinct, It continues to be one of the most famous and recognizable dinosaurs.
Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos.